It's really easy to create a video tour of your SketchUp model that shows off all the different angles that you'd like your viewer to see. And so use the navigation tools like normal to get to a viewpoint you want to showcase. And then under View, Animation, you add that as a scene. And a scene is just like what you've seen in the self-paced tutorials. It's a viewpoint, and you can show different aspects of your building, and animation, add a scene for each one, and then as you click on these, it's going to flip between them. And there's a way, I'll show you in a minute, to make that happen automatically. Also, if things are hidden and you add a scene like that, it retains what's hidden and what's not hidden for each scene specifically. So that's another good way of showing off different things. And now let's go, I want to go inside, and I'm going to kind of flip it around, but now I'm going to unhide. So edit, let's bring those walls back, and I have a nice yellow wall, and I'm going to add another scene here. So now I've got 4 scenes, and I can flip between them manually, or you can autoplay them by hitting play animation. But there's one other thing I'd like to show you, and that is we can export this animation as a video file. And so once you've got your scenes and it shows off all the things, and you can have as many or as few as makes sense for your model, but show off, really focus on the things that you've built, and you can export your animation as a video. And that goes as an MP4. So pay attention to where it's going: Documents Library, My Documents, Videos, wherever you want to put it, as long as you can find it. Untitled, not a good name. So this is like my, I don't know, store video, or call it whatever you like. I'm not sure what the options are. Oh, resolution. 720 is probably good. I'm going to leave it there. But there are some things you could play with. Interesting. Let's hit OK. And let's export it. Now, I'd imagine this takes longer if you have a more complicated model. I would also imagine it would take longer if you have a if you went for the higher resolution. So anyone that thinks choosing the middle resolution was silly, we should go for all the pixels. In this case, I bet you that would take a lot longer for this to render. And while this is going, I'm going to open up Google Drive. And nice thing about Google Drive is that you can upload videos to it. So that's finished rendering. I believe I saved that to the My Documents folder. And there it is, right at the top, Store Video. And I'm going to bring it from here into my drive. And it's been uploaded. Great. So now in Drive, I've got my store video, and it's processing. Okay, we'll give that a couple minutes. In the meantime, what you can do next is you can get new Google Slides, and when you insert a video in Google Slides, you have the option of either doing YouTube videos or videos from Google Drive. And there's store video here. And it shows up just like the embedded ones. You double click it to play. Aha! So what I've done here is gone from something in SketchUp to a video stored in Drive that's now part of a Google slide. And in going from one app to another, you now have the ability to share this with with someone who doesn't have SketchUp, or present this and include this along with other projects we create as part of our store. So this is like my business portfolio, and it's going to include not only the 3D model of our store, but as we move forward, it's also going to include the spreadsheets we create and the advertisements we create as well. If you missed any part of this video, or if you need help, go ahead back and watch the parts you need to watch again.